Hello everybody, Joe here. Welcome to the channel. So today's video, we've got 5 rounds. We're going to do 5 different exercises. Each exercise, we're going to do 10 repetitions. So the first one is going to be 1 pumps. The second one is 4 count mountain climbers. The third one is 4 count leg raises. The fourth one is 10 straight push-ups. And the last one is going to be 10 bodybuilders. So this is going to seem easy at first. However, these exercises back to back is going to take its toll on your chest and your shoulders and that. Your cardio, your heart is going to go through the roof. So we'll get this started with the 1 pumps. Again, this is all going to be in the description down below. So if you want to take a look over it and write it down as we go along, or you can just follow along with me. So let's begin. Start with 10 1 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 4 count mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 4 count leg raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 straight push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bodybuilders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 round complete. 4 rounds to go. Back to the 1 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 count mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 count leg raises. If you want to have your hands below your butt, it's a little bit easier that way. I'd like to keep myself, my hands up here, my shoulders, neck, head off the ground. Makes it a bit harder, but that's good. That's what we want. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bodybuilders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 sets down. 3 to go. Back to the 1 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 count leg raises, or 4 count mountain climbers, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Leg raises. 9, 10 push-ups. 10. Bodybuilders. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 sets down. Just 2 left. My heart rate is definitely getting up there. I hope yours is too. 1 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Leg raises. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bodybuilders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 rounds done. 1 left. Last round. 1 pumps for the win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leg raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right. Push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bodybuilders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Whew. All right, 5 rounds, 5 exercises, and it took right around 15 minutes. That's a really good length workout. Not too long, not too short. It's good if you really want to get the intensity up. A lot of times trying to maintain a certain pace for an hour is a little unreasonable for some people. So doing the more sprint type workouts like this one, perfect time. So 15 minutes. So if you want to make this longer, let's say you don't want to think of anything else to do today, instead of doing 5 sets, do 10 sets, and instead of doing 10 reps of each movement, do 20 reps of each movement. I guarantee if you did that, it would probably take you closer to an hour, which for me is normally the length of workout that I like to do, an hour in total of actual fitness. That does not include walking around, you know, talking to your friends, taking selfies, all that stuff. That's like, you know, an AMRAP, an EMOM, all adding up to 60 minutes in total. So I hope you like this workout. Again, pure body weight. That's what I love doing, is body weight workouts. I do use dumbbells, I do use kettlebells. However, besides those and maybe a weighted vest from time to time, I just prefer the calisthenics type workouts. Less injuries, better for the body, less wear and tear and all that stuff. Plus, these exercises, you know, by themselves may not be that difficult. However, you do 1 pumps, you do mountain climbers right in a row, your shoulders are really going to feel the burn, as mine are right now. So this was 15 minutes. I got about another 45 minutes. So I'm either going to do this 3 more times, or I'm going to do a different workout and do, let's say, 40 minutes, a 40-minute workout. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, comment down below if you want to see me do a certain workout. Also, like the video. That helps the YouTube algorithms. And subscribe. That also helps my channel out for obvious reasons. So until then, we'll see you in the next one. Have yourself a great day, and bye for now.